It is a diode. It will
Rise time budget and link port budget. These two are very, very important. Rise time budget is used to analyze the time required for the receiver to respond to get the output. The rise time gives the important information for initial system design. Rise time gives the important information for initial system design. Rise time budget analysis determines the dispersion limitation of an optical fiber link. The rise time budget is used to limit the dispersion in the optical system. It may be optical fiber link. Total rise time of a fiber link is the root sum square of rise time. It may be written like this: root sum square. The rise time, total rise time of a fiber link is the root sum square of the rise time of each contributor to the pulse rise time degradation. The total rise time is given by square root of squares of the times. That is T system. System rise time is equal to square root of T R1 square plus T R2 square plus T R3 square. Okay, here this may be written as T system is equal to system time is equal to here sigma T is I is equal to 1 to n. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n. T R I square T R I square whole power 1 by 2. T R I square whole power 1 by 2. Otherwise square root of, you may write same sigma I is equal to 1 to n T T R I square root of, like that also you may write, no problem. Whole power 1 by 2 or square root of this one. Okay, this is the main formula. So here so in this, what is a TR1, TR2, TR3 is nothing but TR1, TR2, TR3 and so on are the transmitter type. How much at at which time, at how much time you are going to transmit the signal. The transmitter requires how much time, receiver requires how much time. Like that, all those you are going to substitute in this formula, then you'll get the total time analysis. Then this one, the formula you can write quickly. T system is equal to square root of TR1 square plus TR2 square plus TR3 square plus so on. This may be written as summarization of this formula. T system is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n TRI square whole power 1 by 2. The link component must be switched fast enough. The link components must be switched fast enough. So as early as possible, it can switch on. Okay, the components can be reply as early as possible. So the link components must be switched fast enough, and the fiber dispersion must be low enough. So if time is more, then dispersion will be low. To meet the bandwidth requirements of the application, adequate bandwidth for a system can be assured by developing the rise time budget. So by analyzing the rise time, we are going to get required bandwidth or adequate bandwidth, and we can reduce the dispersion. Okay, if time is more, then bandwidth will be good and dispersion will be less. That analysis is nothing but rise time budget. As the light sources and detectors has a finite response time to inputs. So here one important note for this analysis is the time must be finite time. It may be transmitter or receiver, it may be source or detector. Those can respond at finite time. If those are not responding until more time, there is not good system. So the main important note is here is source and detectors must be finite times. The device does not turn on or turn off instantaneously. This is another important one. Whatever the system we are designing, that will not goes to the on and off state. It may be the system or the device does not turn on or turn off instantaneously. And next thing, the rise time and fall time determines the overall response time and hence the resulting bandwidth. So this is the important. Rise time and fall time determines the overall response time and gives the bandwidth. Previously also I gave one point in the regenerator, I think. What is a regenerator and what about the system link for budget? Link for budget. This is a link for budget. What link for budget is doing?
So we calculate the peak point and the valley point. Okay, so what is the application of UJT switching device? Switching on SCR by designing the timing circuit. What the timing circuit is just like your clock.
Okay, these points are essential. You have to remember. Those are the key points. Here, rise time and fall time determines the overall response time and next bandwidth. Response time and bandwidth both will be calculated from rise time budget. Bandwidth and response time TR. Response time TR. These two we are going to analyze from rise time budget. Okay. All are following or not?
PNP diode. Already we have done experiment on this PNP diode.
Is it clear?
Silicon control.
Then connectors, couplers, and splices do not affect the system speed. Here we are not going to consider splices, connectors, or couplers. Connectors, couplers, splices do not affect the system speed. They need not be accounted in rise time budget, but they appear in the link power budget. So 4 basic elements that contributes to the rise time are: first one, transmitter rise time. Next one, group elastic dispersion rise time. Next is modal dispersion rise time. These are the essential rise times. We are going to analyze for the rise time budget. Okay, 4 basic elements. Again, I am highlighting here 4 basic elements that are contributes to the rise time are these.
We should switch on the device. If you give more gauge voltage, that device will switch on very fast.
Okay, very important point. These points must and should you have to write in the answer, whatever it may be the exam. Okay, so here in rise time budget, we don't bother about connectors, couplers, and splices. Those will not affect the speed. Okay, but in link port budget, we are going to consider all those couplers, splices, and fiber losses. Here, the link port budget basic elements are: one is transmitter rise time, TX. TX is the transmitter. So T is the time, transmitter rise time. Group elastic dispersion rise time. T suffix GVD. You can write suffix, that is T suffix TX, transmitter rise time, and T suffix GVD, group elastic dispersion rise time, and T mod. All those parallel you can write. T mod. Okay. And last one, receiver rise time. T RX. Finally, what is our expression? T system is equal to TR1 plus TR2 plus TR3. TR3 square plus so on. Here TR1 like this, in this each time receiver